And we got people working on my stuff already. We got Kevin over here. Wilburn sitting here teasing us. Laughing at us. We're putting the dash frame at least partially back in just so that it's bolted up to help move this car so that everything will be in a decent amount of shape. So that's what we're doing. We had to drop the bracket off of the column, drop the column down, because unlike some people, we didn't slot the dash so we could just slide it in. We actually put it back in the way it's supposed to. And as you can see, we got the whole Flintstone thing going here, and John was nice enough to remind me about it. I think he may have actually named this car. This may be the Flintstone mobile.
I've got some paint here if you guys can. Is it Alpine White? Can you identify the shade?
Hey, I will have you know that is new old stock Mopar paint that's rubbing off there. That's some money right there. So I think that's restored now. We just kind of threw them in there, and we'll see what else we can stack in there. Trying to see what all we can do to put everything back in. But yeah, not too bad a car. All right, now we got Kevin. Now there is what I call a perfect condition, perfectly restorable, new old stock tank.
It's well vented.
I think it is well vented. You know,
it's got the, pretty sure it's got the sending unit in it.
Oh man, we're golden.
Can you put the stuff in the bottle in it that you shake around and seal it up?
Well, I think I liked your first little idea, John. I think that we ought to flex seal it first.
Flex seal, flex tape.
Flex tape, you know, that ought to work really good. Now, joking aside, you can see we do have some decent plastic pieces for the interior, which I didn't know actually came with the car, so this is a good surprise for me. Even got the Cuda emblems on them, and they're in really good shape when all things considered. So that plus miscellaneous floor pans, that ought to go a long way towards lowering what I gotta spend to fix this thing. All right, it looks like we've got a ratchet strap on the hood holding the hood down. Probably gonna need to put one on the back here, but oh well, we'll figure it out soon. Ratchet strap for this, but everything fit in here just right. That's gonna be a little while before it's home for sure. Other pieces, what was real nice, as John mentioned, why didn't we feed that there bumper in through the back, and it actually worked just fine. So everything's back here on the car ready to go. Just a matter of loading it up now, and we're going to be bringing you a video by Kevin, who's going to be taking this car to North Carolina to be picked up by another friend of mine. And I guess you'll see some of the footage of him loading it and bringing it back on his channel.
Yeah, I'll do a video.
And one of the things that we're really good about is John will let you know, I'll let you know, and Kevin will let you know, but Kevin is still going for his 500 subs. And so we're trying to get him over the threshold. He's going to be over it pretty quick, but he's going to be bringing that really nice dart, and by really nice I mean I like the way it looks, to the No Name Nationals this year. So it's going to be fun.
You guys want to see a 75 dart swinger, 360, and an 8.8 Ford rear end? If you want to see that in Sykeston, let him know.
Oh heck yeah. So that being said, just drive it.